Hi guys, welcome back. This time I'm gonna take a look at ForeVR Bowl. Probably it's possible to do a mixed reality as well. I'm gonna do it immersed. Let's see what the game brings. Already had it for some time. Okay. Cool. What do I win? What do I win? Pretty cool, I think. Not too sure. Oh yeah, with those coins, if I have 50k, can probably expand it to ForeVR Bowl. I'm gonna buy that. House best. Yeah, of course, I'm the only one that plays. Let's see. Single player. Yeah. Private land, choose all. Ooh. Okay. Lost City of Atlantis. Might be nice. Can I do something like this? Oh, whatever. Play. Nice. What? What happened there? That was a really quick ball. Okay, I am better in real life than this in real life. Golden pin. Okay, cool. Too bad. Oh yeah, I think you can find bowling balls. Oh, grab me. I think you can find the bowling balls laying around from time to time. Oh, I didn't realize I needed to hold my breath there. What did I win? Okay, cool. Okay. Don't know if there are multiple bowling balls. It's not a typical bowling alley here. Okay, how do I get up? Oh. Okay. Oh, cool. That was more luck than wisdom, but hey, I'll settle for it. Hey, that's cool. Didn't know Nemo was part of the game. Can I land on top of this thing? Yes, I can. Oh. Can I land on there? No, I can't. At least not like this. Too bad. What are we going to do? Oh yeah. We were here to bowl. Let's see. Okay. It is really nice though. Wow. Don't give up your day job. Sometimes they are just going so darn fast. A spare. Oh. I think my kids will want to bowl with me if I'm bowling like this. Maybe I should continue playing with this. At least I hit something. This is what you see the pro bowlers do. Maybe it helps. Oh. No. It doesn't help me at least. Better now. Okay. Are you gonna be my new lucky ball? I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, I'm comfortable here. Too bad. Should have one that just explodes. In the end, boom. Yes. Well, lifetime best 126. Okay, so you see, I often do a lot better. Ignore the lifetime average because that's just slightly higher. What more does this game have to offer? I think it's fun with all the multiple balls. However, just look at this. What else? A pizza ball. That's okay. So you do have a lot of bowling balls. 34 out of 221 I currently own. Oh, okay. There's a rock. Oh. Yes. I want to know how that one goes. Flashy one. Total energy ball. Ow. You know what? I'm just gonna replace them all. That looks like fun. Ooh, aliens, my favorite. Moo, moo, moo a lot. Okay. Single player. Free play. What to do, what to do. Go Lunar. Okay. And let's see if I can find a new ball. No, keep playing. Where is the hidden ball? It's not here. There's not too many places I can go here. Maybe there is just one a day or something. I don't know. I honestly do not know. Okay, let's see what the new balls do. Let's start with Anarchy. Oh, it feels more like a regular ball to throw. It's not out of your hands. Okay. I really love this one. But it's once again a speedy ball. Okay. Let me have to do anything. Okay. A pizza ball. What is this? Salami? Was kinda hoping that it was a stroke ball. Okay, really lame joke. Because yeah, stroke, strike, whatever. Your head was bad. This is a really lame ball. Didn't expect a lot of tunes. Wonder if I can throw it like this. Oh, that was a really nice ball to throw. Ooh. Yes. I have a new favorite ball. Was that a bumper? Or was that just... Yep. Well, it ain't for Barney. Practice. It's a hell of a lot easier on the Wii. Cool. Wonder if I can see my house from here. It's a homing ball. Okay. I'm keeping that one. Okay. Who says messing about never pays off? Never played this game. Anyhow, this is just a little insight on ForeVR Bowling. Thank you a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.